Well, here we are, folks. We got the all the bars in the VersaRake. We're doing some fine tuning and plucking all the small rocks out now. You can see a substantial difference right here where we've already gone over it with all the bars in it. Okay, and then over there is just where we've run over it one time. Over there is raw, where we haven't done anything. Up here, we've got the tractor rolling, and basically it's collecting rocks for us. We're putting them in piles next to our big pile of raw rock. We're sifting it with the VersaRake, keeping all the dirt, and absolutely incredible. There were actual icebergs for rocks up here. Plucked them right out of the ground. No problem. Plucked them right out of the ground. The Versa box is a mean machine. This dude can pluck some rocks, folks. Nothing like it anywhere. VersaRake.